dark side of what you do for everyone else, not just you. How you leave a place better than you found it. Walk through hell and not around the little things in life that mean the most. Take her hand, slow it down, drive her right through your town. Have her on right around 10. Pretty guy, she climbs back in again. Take a walk down memory lane, skipping rocks and casting cane. Riding right down a low back road. Little things, they make you grow. It's the little things in life